So this week's discussion is specifically about research current job openings and discuss what skills are advertised in conjunction with Java are required. In other words, what additional skills would you look to obtain to make yourself highly marketable? Now, as you're looking at these different skills and as you're looking at the way they're listed and things along those lines, what you want to kind of break them down into is two categories. The first category is skills specifically related to the Java programming language, right? That's the first one. And the second one, and I guess now that I'm thinking about it, maybe three categories. The second one is the skills related to programming in general and not specifically Java. So what programming skills could be carried over from language to language that help make you a better programmer as opposed to simply a good programmer in Java? And the last one, and I think this is really important, is what skills are unrelated to programming but make you a good employee. A lot of times nowadays individuals are saying, well, you can give me anybody that has any degree of skill, but if they're teachable, if they show up on time, if they put in an effort while they're here and they stay the entire time, that's amazing and I can do whatever I need with them. So a lot of the skill set is moving away from, oh, can you do X, Y, Z, but are you trainable and are you reliable? Because you can teach somebody to program, you can teach someone to work some sort of press, to do some sort of computer program, to do all these different things, but what it's very, very hard to do is teach somebody to be ethical, reliable, and to put in a good day's work while they're there. So there's lots of skills that are there that kind of go back and forth, and kind of keep these in mind as you're going through. Keep up the good work so far. It's been a pretty good beginning week. All right, thank you for your time.